Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, from the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side, then press on it and select Network tile from the list. Then here we're gonna have to select the network that we want to connect to. Usually it would be the first one on the list, but if it's not, well, find your network right here. Then enter the password to it. To enter the password, you have to use your D-pad to navigate between digits and characters. OK button to select one. And if you want to erase the previous character, use the delete button right here. And this way, enter the password to your Wi-Fi network. Once you have entered the password, select Connect and wait until you are connected to it. Once the status says connected, you can return to your home screen, and right now your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi network. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.